Hello students, welcome back to our channel. Myself is Manjunath Mandari. In the previous class, we were doing rational numbers. We introduced some basic things, properties. We were doing some properties of rational number and the role of. We have stopped in the role of one. So in this class, we will be continuing further. So friends, please like it and share it and comment it so that everyone must get to know the videos. So okay, in the previous class we stopped the class from the role of the we have completed. In today's class I am going to continue. The class. So I am going to continue the class. First topic, negative of a number. Negative of a number. We can call it as additive inverse. So what it means? Negative of we can take any number, whole number or integer or rational number, any number. Negative of additive inverse means minus c. It is a concept. Negative of a number we have taken. It is negative only we have considered additive inverse. Okay. For example, you can take for additive inverse means a plus minus c is equal to 0. So this both plus c to minus c both we cancel to get 0. So this is the rule of additive inverse. For example, we can take as 2 by 3. If a negative of a number we given as additive inverse of 2 by 3 is how much means minus 2 by 3 we can write it. Just it is a simple concept. So friends इधर क्या होना बोले तो 2 by 3 है ना वो नंबर जस्ट माइनस ऐड करके वो नंबर को माइनस 2 by 3 करेंगे तो ये हो जाएगा. So it is called as negative of a number. Okay. So we can take this one. So additive inverse rules 2 by 3 plus minus 2 by 3. If we solve this one, we get 0. Okay. Negative of a number. Okay. Next one. Next topic. Reciprocal or multiple inverse. Reciprocal or multiple inverse. Okay. So what is reciprocal or multiple inverse? Reciprocal or multiple it is nothing but a rational number. If we inverse it, we call it as a reciprocal or a multiple inverse number. Okay. For example, we take it as this one, a by b. Your number we are reciprocaling it into or multiplying it by b by a. So solution this is called as reciprocal. So reciprocal is nothing but if we inverse the number, we call it as the reciprocal of a number. For example, we take it as 81 by 7. If we reciprocal it, we get as 7 by 81. So we get the answer 1. So friends, students, now we got it. Okay. One more time I will say, negativity of a number means a number which is having the whole number. If we negative side it, this is called as a negativity of a number. Or reciprocality or a multiple inverse means on a topic. So if a whole number will be there now, it is a rational number. If we inverse the rational number, it is called the reciprocity or multiple inverse. Addition inverse means if we change the sign, we call it addition. This is very important to continue further problems. Okay, please note it down. So please note it down. Okay. So next one, distribution of multiplication or addition or subtraction. These are topic. Next topic in this one. Next topic in this one. Distribution of multiplication over addition or and subtraction. So this is the next topic, distribution of multiplication over addition and subtraction. So here the form will come addition. So first to get multiplication, so in this one b plus c. This is the distribution form. How will it be distribution? So this is a multiplication or addition. Multiplication over addition. So first we multiply a in this means ab plus ac. We are done with the addition. So in this only first one, this one, second one a into b minus c. In this one we have to multiply. So this is the multiplication, this subtraction. So here we will get it as AB minus AC friends. Okay. Please note it down. Is a category distribution. Distribution multiplication means here we are distributing the form. A is multiplied with the addition. A is multiplied with, so if we simplify further means it will noted as AB plus AC, AB minus AC. So in this way the distribution is happening. So we have to know it. Okay. Okay students, please note it down. And one more thing, please like it and share it. So students, before connecting to the chapter, now we must know the basic sum rules. How is minus into minus plus, minus into plus is minus, plus into minus minus, plus into plus is plus. How the rules are framed. So I will be writing this one. So we all like basic rule. This must be known that minus into minus. We know it as plus. Teacher used to say that minus into minus plus. How it is plus? We have to know it. How it is plus? So second one, minus into plus means we get it as minus. Third one, plus into minus means we get as minus. So plus into plus means we get it as plus. Friends, how? Friends, how minus into minus plus? I will say that. So we will take one number. Exactly. Minus 2 into minus 3. So minus into minus plus 2 3 is 6. This is the values teacher used to say usually. So we will take it as 3 into 2 minus 6. So 3 into 3 9. 3 into plus 2. 3 to the 6. So how the values will be, how the value has been kept, we will discuss this. So friends, so students, first we must know a linear line. First we must know the linear line. Linear line, here point, center point will be always 0. After that here will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Here will be minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5 and minus 6. This is the basic thing you all know, because these all are positives and these are all negatives. Okay friends. So friends, try to understand. So yes, first you consider a term. Here what is that? Minus is there. So here a person will be standing here in this way. A person will be standing in this way. So minus sign is there. So minus sign means I have to look in this direction. So a person is there. Minus sign means you have to look this side. He will be looking this side. So what is this one? Minus 2. Minus 2 is there. No? Minus sign indicates here. This minus sign. This minus sign indicates here the person will be looking in this side. So it is a minus sign. So the person will be looking inside. So how many? Now second step. Here what is there? This second minus sign means here now I am standing here means it will be in this direction. It will be a forward. Forward. It will be a now backward. Backward. You will say now front will be a forward. This side will be a backward. So minus sign. This minus sign will give the which side has to face. The minus sign indicates that which side has to see. This minus sign indicates backward or forward. So first one minus sign means we are using this side. So here minus. So this is the forward will be and this will be the backward. So he will be taking this direction now. So how many times? 3. Minus 2 you have to take 3 times. So 1, 2nd and 3. So what is the value here? Plus 6. So I have written as a plus 6. In this way minus into minus plus 6. Friends, this is the basic things. Most of the teachers will not be teaching this all things. Only they will say minus into minus plus. You must know how it is plus and how the logic will be working out. So I hope that you understood this one. इधर टॉपिक इधर माइनस into माइनस प्लस कैसा होगा बोले तो ये आदमी तेरे बोले तो माइनस साइन है पहले का माइनस साइड का डिसाइड करता है इसलिए इधर तेरे वाला साइड ये साइड देखता है सो इसलिए माइनस है तो ये साइड क्या है फॉरवर्ड और बैकवर्ड का डिसाइड करता है सो अब इधर से देखना बोले तो सामने का फॉरवर्ड रहेगा पीछे बैकवर्ड रहेगा इसलिए वो आदमी पीछे जाना है पीछे कितना है 2 स्टेप तो 3 बार करने का है इसलिए 1 स्टेप 2 स्टेप 3 स्टेप इधर क्या है plus 3. So in this way the plus 3 will be the answer. So friends, okay, first one okay. Now second one is here. Second one is here. Minus into plus. So एक आदमी इधर दे रहा है. So इधर -3 बोले तो क्या फर्स्ट माइनस बोले तो डायरेक्शन. So इधर देख रहा है. So इधर क्या +2. प्लस बोले तो क्या फॉरवर्ड जाना. फॉरवर्ड कितना जाना 3 स्टेप लेना है 2 बार लेना है इसलिए हमने 3 स्टेप करना 1 स्टेप सेकंड स्टेप सो इधर क्या आया -6 सो इट इज -6 ओके गॉट इट सो फ्रेंड सो स्टूडेंट नेक्स्ट वन हियर +3 into -3 ओके -3 सो इधर दे रहा है आगे सो ने +3 बोले तो आदमी ये साइड देखेगा माइनस बोले तो बैकवर्ड ये फॉरवर्ड होता है ये बैकवर्ड होगा बैकवर्ड 3 स्टेप्स 3 लेना सो 1 2 इसके बाद 3 आने पर तो -9 आएगा ये 3 डिफरेंस से -9 से -9 आया यू गॉट इट आई होप दैट यू गॉट इट दिस टॉपिक सो नेक्स्ट वन +3 into +3 ओके +3 into +2 how it is +6 so friends first you are standing here in 0 you are on neutral point so +3 का मतलब क्या ये साइड देखेगा साइड फर्स्ट which side has to see ये साइड देखेगा ये साइड देखेगा +3 again +3 means now if you see this side means it will be a forward and it will be a backward so again plus means it will be a forward only you have to move it so from your 3 steps you have to take only 2 times. So from here you will go to 3. Second one from here you will go to 3. So 3 steps through the answer will be +6. So what is friends? What is friend? So from here to the plus means which side you will be seeing on this side. After that again one more plus means you will be taking forward step in 3 steps in two process. First and second. So in this way we have to do this type of problems. So minus into minus means plus. Now we got now I am explaining that you may know it. Minus into minus means plus. Minus into plus means minus. Plus into minus is minus. Plus into plus means plus. If I hope that there will be no doubt in your future academics. In this way we have to do it. Okay. Friends, chapter 1 exercise 1.1 basic things I have done it. So from the next class I will be going to teach you. I am going to take the class exercise 1.1. From next class we will be going to do it. Okay, friends, I hope that you understood the class very well. One more thing, please like it and share it so that the classes must reach each and every one. Okay, thank you friends.